what's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today we are doing a quick video on roughing in bowls. I have the other half of the walnut root ball that my parents gave me. I turned a bowl for them out of half of it with a resin inlay on a spot that was filled in or had a low spot and some punky wood. So not going to sure if we're going to have to do that kind of thing with this, but we're going to at least get it roughed in so it can get in the kiln and get drying. The other piece that we have is this pretty large piece of red cedar. Sorry, Hugh, can't get you this one. We're going to get this cut down and rough turned as well. I got a new bandsaw, bought it from my buddy Matt over at Trip Dad Creations. I'll put a link to his Instagram down below, so check out his awesome work. But I got this new bandsaw, so we're going to be getting them roughed in. I say that we're going to get it cut down roughly to size and then cut the corners off and then go from there and have some fun. So let's get to working. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that. So as many of you know, when you're making things like this, not every day is a production day. There's a lot of preparation work going into it. So understanding that roughing in bowls and things like that, especially when it's a whole log, you want to get as much moisture out as you can. So it's important to get that rough shape, get it in-grain sealed so that you put that protective coat over it so the moisture doesn't leave too quickly. And if you have a kiln, put it in it. Other people put it in shavings of that wood into a bag and let it sit for a while. You can do either, whatever works best for you. That's what you want to do. I happen to have a dishwasher kiln that sits about 94 degrees, and so those items will be pretty dry in a while. I was going to do a bowl originally out of the walnut piece, but when I saw those cutaways and I didn't want to lose a lot of that material, I decided to do a hybrid bowl. So I'm going to put a link right up here to the other video that I did of this other half of that walnut root ball. And I'm going to hopefully do something similar, probably a different color, but that's where I'm going with it. At any rate, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment, feedback down below. It's appreciated. I use that to grow, and I hope to see you all next time.